Hey y'all, it's your girl Lolo. Today I'm coming with you to you with a St. Patrick's Day design that I did with cat eye gel polish, regular gel polish, and a chrome powder. The first thing I'm doing is putting one coat of the magnetic polish onto my thumb, index, and pinky finger. And this is the first video that I'm doing for a long time, and it's gonna be wonky. I'm just trying out a new video editing software, and it is kind of crazy. So, right now, while I'm recording it, the sound sounds really crazy on the voiceover, so I don't even know how this is gonna go. I'm getting tired of messing with it, so I'm really just gonna throw this up on here and ask y'all to bear with me in the coming videos. I'm hoping that it will be better. Of course, I'll have to do my studying. And if you want some nerdy vlogs on the software, I'm using DaVinci Resolve 15 to edit. So once I learn it better, I'll start doing some nerdy vlogs on that. But anyway, cleaning up the cuticle area because that's a hot mess. That's the number 650 of the Elite polish. That's the regular gel polish. The other one was Gel Lab. I want to say the number is 9902. That I got a while ago, so I have not been able to do a haul for those. I mean, I have so many gel polishes that I have not recorded a haul for, and I don't think I'm gonna go back and do it. I'm sorry to say. But all of my gel polishes I have gotten off Amazon. I buy sets, $20 or less, and I have been finding some really good deals. So after I clean up my cuticles, what I'm going to do is go in and do the second coat of the cat eye first. And between each nail, I do a quick flash cure because I notice when I let the magnetic polish sit for a minute while I do the other ones, it kind of disperses a little bit and the line isn't as sharp as when I do it right away. So I went ahead and did that. And I don't know if you can hear my dog barking in the background. He's sleeping and he barks in his sleep. He's chasing rabbits or something. Just getting the line the way I like it. Like I said, do a little quick flash cure, just make sure that the line stays where I want it. Alright, so doing my little cleanup. Then once again, hold the magnet. You don't have to hold it long. And then I'm just doing my whole 60-second cure. Sorry I didn't stop it at that point. Then I'm going to go ahead and do the second coat on the middle and ring finger of the regular green gel polish. Then I gave that a cure. Now I'm going to go ahead and top coat. And for this, I'm using a no wipe top coat because you need that for the chrome powder. Now I'm going to use the Born Pretty Chrome Mirror Powder. It's a green tint. And I have a haul that I did but I haven't uploaded as of yet, of these powders, and I'm kind of angry that they didn't have any numbering or labeling on them, so I had to just kind of label them myself. So it's number 3 according to Lolo's numbers. Then once I put it on with the sponge, of course, Lolo's got to go the extra mile, and I rub my finger because it does actually make it shinier and more mirror-like. So went ahead and did that. Then I'm going to go ahead and top coat those two again. I'm going to go ahead and cure those. And now at this point I'm using some black gel polish on my ring finger to make a cross. And then once I've cured that, I'm going back and do the other side. And I'm sorry it's so far away while I'm painting. Like I said, I'm just learning this, so once I learn how to zoom in, I'll be able to do that better, so you can see a little bit easier exactly what I'm doing. Now I'm going in with some gold Yu-Gi-Oh gel polish just to do an outline on that cross. Which you could also use the striping tape. I have some gold striping tape, but I just really have a hard time making it stay. Like, it'll be there and then a couple days later it'll start peeling up, and it's just very, very annoying. So I just went ahead and did it with a liner and some gold polish. Okay, now what I'm doing is I'm using some bead gel, and I'm using some gold crystals, Swarovski crystals. I'm using a big one in the middle, and then alternating between a medium and small, going down each side. Now I'm gonna say, and I'm gonna reiterate this again when I see this because it's gonna make me angry. I added mini beads on the outside of these crystals, and honestly it looks not really so hot. It would have been good if I just left it the way that it is after this step, but you know me, I'm a busy bee and I like a bunch of stuff on my nails, so I wanted to keep going and went too far, but oh well. I'm not keeping this on too long. St. Patrick's Day is off after I get over my hangover, that is. So yeah, as you can see, I did the big one in the middle, and then a teeny one, and then a medium one, and a teeny one, and a medium one, and just went down each side of the cross after that. And I'm gonna show it to you at the end of this, and it looks really pretty like that. It would have been perfect because when I added the mini beads, it just covered up the black, it covered up the gold, and it just made that whole step pointless. It looks much better like this, so I would say stop at this point. Stop, because that was good enough. See, look at that. That's perfect. That's perfect. Like, why didn't I stop? Because I'm a jerk. And it was so frustrating putting those little stupid beads on, and then they kept sliding and moving, and they wouldn't really stay where I wanted, so it came out kind of sloppy. I'm just so angry at myself that I did that, but oh well, I'll know better next time. And it took forever. This is just annoying. So annoying. Hot mess. Hot mess. Off camera. See, that was just too much. I was doing the absolute most. See how long this took? This is speed up twice. Sped up twice. Sped up twice. And still going slow as can be. Don't make no sense. See how to keep messing with it? Ugh. Anger. Alright, rate, comment, subscribe, guys. Love it.